everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Toriten. Toriten is chicken tempura. Very easy and quick to make. It's of course good as a main in combo style meal or for bento box, but it's also great as a snack for beer. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Toriten, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 6 to 8 chicken tenderloin, half cup of all-purpose flour, some ginger, and 1 tablespoon each of sake, soy sauce, and potato starch or cornstarch. At first, I'm going to remove the tendon of the chicken because it's tough and chewy. Prepare a fork. Put tendon like this. Grab it with paper towel and pull. Put tendon, grab, and pull. And let's cut it into half. Try to standardize the size. Sake and soy sauce into the bowl. And let's grate some ginger. I like to make it gingery, so I'm doing about 2 tablespoons. And I'm using it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Put chicken and wrap. And let it sit for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make tempura batter. 1 tablespoon of potato starch into the bowl of flour. Half cup of water. Give it a quick mix. Try not to over-mix it. Over-mixing will bring up the gluten in flour and make the batter very sticky. This is good enough. It's still very lumpy, but this is just good enough. The chicken has been marinated for 10 minutes, so let's fry them. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium to medium-high heat. To check the temperature, put damp chopstick into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up like this, that means the oil is ready. Dip chicken into the batter. And gently into the oil. And fry them for 3 to 4 minutes. crispy brown on both sides. So let's take them out. Before moving on to the next batch, remove all the tempura bits in the frying pan. All fried and it's done. Time for the tasting. いただきます。So light and crispy. It's very well seasoned with the gingery soy sauce, so you don't need any dipping sauce. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Toriten is a main, so let's put it here. Plain rice here and onion miso soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about okaka potato for one of them and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!